Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8, the climate of our country. In this chapter we will learn the difference between weather and climate. Then the factors which influence the climate of a place. Or after that we will study the three main seasons of India: summer, monsoon and winter. See here. Anand says, "Oh, what a hot day." His sister says, "Thank God, we are going to Shimla tomorrow. It is a cold place." One person is talking about the weather and the other is talking about the climate. Who is talking about weather and who is talking about climate? Try to find out the difference between these weather and climate. To understand it, first we will see. When you say it is cold today or it is rainy day, you are talking about weather. Means here Anand says, "Oh, what a hot day." Means the place where they live does not remain hot all the time. At that time it was hot. In same way, it is cold today. It is a rainy day. Means here we talk about a single day, a very short period of day. So when we talk about the condition of atmosphere for short period of time, it is called weather. Weather refers to how hot, cold, rainy, windy or cloudy it is in a particular place at a particular time. Means weather explain about the condition of atmosphere for shorter period of time, means in a particular place at a particular time, means very small area of, for very short time. But when you say it is a very cold in the Himadri or the coastal plains are warm and humid, means Himadri remains cold throughout the year. All the time it remains cold. Same way, coastal plains remains warm and humid throughout the year, means all the time. Here you are talking about climate. In this conversation, Anand's sister is saying about climate. Shimla remains cold throughout the year. The climate refers to the weather conditions of a large area taken over a long period of time. Means in weather we talk about the small area for shorter period of time, and in climate we talk about the condition of atmosphere for a larger area for longer period of time. Now we will see factors which affect climate. The climate of a place mainly depends on following. Number one, how far it is from equator. Means here all you know, equator is the line of latitude which divides the earth equally between two poles. If place is close to equator, it experiences hot climate, or how far it goes towards pole, it becomes that much cold. India. The northern part of India is cooler than South India. Southern part of India is close to equator. Here is equator. Southern part is close, so it is hot, remains hot throughout the year. But when we move towards north, so it become cooler. Second factor which affect the climate of a place, how high it is. The higher a place, the colder it is. For example, the higher you go in the Himalayas, the cooler it becomes. Okay, as we move up, temperature decreases, it becomes cooler. Third factors which affect the climate of a place, how far it is from the sea. Okay, the place is how much away from the sea. If it is close to the sea, to come under the influence of moderating influence of water bodies. The wind coming from water moderate the temperature of coastal areas. The winds from the sea affect the climate of place. The coastal plains are neither too hot nor too cold because of the breeze from the sea. Wind which come from sea does not allow these coastal plains to become very cold or very hot. The plants and animal life found in a place, the food that people eat and what they wear depends on climate of the place. Means food, clothes, shelter, all these depends on the nature of climate. According to that, people adopt themselves. Now we will see seasons. Most places experience a few months of hot weather, a few months of rainy weather, and a few months of cool or cold weather in an year. Each of these divisions of the year that have particular weather patterns are called seasons. India has three main seasons during the year: summer, rainy season, and winter. The general weather conditions of a place during these seasons determine the climate of the place. Summer season. The summer season starts in March or April and continues till May or June. In South India, it starts becoming hot in March and stays hot till after May. In North India, summer starts in April and goes on till June and July. In summer, it is hot and dry in almost all parts of India except the mountains. The sun is very hot, the days are longer than nights. Means days are longer and nights are shorter during summer season. Hot dry winds called Lu. Lu blows in the northern plains. Dust storms are common in this region, especially in northwestern part, Punjab, Haryana, western Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan side. The coastal plains are not so hot in summers because of the cool sea breeze. However, it is very humid, that is the amount of water vapor or moisture in the air is high. Humid Humid weather is uncomfortable as it makes us sweat a lot and the sweat takes a longer time to dry up. Now, as you feel this type of uncomfortable weather during rainy season also, when it is stop rain, then we feel very uncomfortable because we sweat a lot. Our sweat does not get dry up due to high humidity in the air. Second season is rainy season. It starts from June. From June onward, winds full of moisture from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal start flowing to the land. These winds are called monsoon winds. They bring rain to India. This season is called the monsoon season. Which wind bring rain in India? Monsoon winds. The rainy season starts in June in South India. In North India, it starts towards the end of June or beginning of July. It continues till September. The Thar Desert in Rajasthan and the Run of Kutch in Gujarat receive very little rainfall. The Coromandel coast receives rain in November, December, while some parts of India, such as the western coastal and the northeastern states, get very heavy rain. Mausin Ram, remember, Mausin Ram in the Khasi Hills in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India. Parts of the northern plains and the southern plateau receives heavy rainfall. The highest rainfall ever recorded in a day is 182.5 centimeter in the La Reunion Island in Indian Ocean, very close to Madagascar near Africa. The highest rainfall ever recorded in one year is 2540 centimeter in Cherrapunji in India. See in the picture, low clouds over Cherrapunji, one of the wettest place in India. During monsoon season, people carry umbrella or cover their body through raincoat to protect themselves to go out. Third season is winter. It starts from October onward. From October onward, it start becoming pleasant. The sun is not so hot. The days start becoming shorter and nights longer. This marks the beginning of winter. It continues till February or March. January is the coldest month. Winters are very cold in the Himalayas. Many places have snowfall. The northern plains are cold. The cold decreases as we go south, means from north to south. When we go, coldness decreases. The cold decreases as we go south. The coastal plains are pleasant during winter season. See in picture, people are keeping themselves warm by firewood. That's all for today. Thank you.